I've been testing both Carrd and Strawpage in 2025, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of which one is actually the better website builder. Carrd has built a strong reputation as the go-to platform for building simple, beautiful one-page sites. It's clean, lightweight, and incredibly user-friendly, even if you've never built a site before. Whether you're launching a personal portfolio, a landing page, or a quick business card-style website, Carrd makes it fast and affordable. The free plan gives you a lot to work with, and the pro upgrade is just a few dollars a year, which unlocks custom domains, forms, and advanced elements. Strawpage, on the other hand, is the newer kid on the block, and it's specifically designed for people building lead generation or affiliate landing pages. What stands out about Strawpage is its built-in AI content assistant, which helps you create sections like hero headlines, benefit blocks, or testimonials almost instantly. It's more tailored to marketers and creators who want to move quickly and launch conversion-focused sites. While it's not quite as polished as Carrd in terms of design flexibility, it's ideal for getting something up and running with minimal effort and copywriting experience. So here's the verdict. If your priority is design freedom, simplicity, and reliability, especially for personal sites or portfolios, go with Carrd. But if you want an AI-assisted builder optimized for marketing or affiliate projects, and you don't want to spend hours writing content from scratch, Strawpage might be the smarter choice. I hope this helped you figure out which one fits your needs best. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.